Hello everybody, today we're playing Build a Boat. I know it's been a while, but I just needed a break, so let's get on with it. What should I make? Think I will make this. I don't know what, but I am making something. I think I might be doing an animation thing. Not like the other ones I've shown, but better. Yeah. I have ideas. What if I add this? Actually, I will put a motor. Yeah. Then right above it, I will put a rocket engine. Just put it right there. Alright. Should be good enough. Yes, it works. Oh my. Alright. So goofy, how am I even alive? Oh my god, my boat's doing the dance. Oh my god, I got it to work. I will dodge every single thing. Huh, never mind. Wait, it's back on track. Track. No. Every time I walk into a hole. Meow. How did I survive that? Meow. Meow. This is so goofy. Yes. tornadoes, sandstorms, or whatever. I don't even know anymore. But wait, what? I didn't know that the desert had water. No, I died. Up there. 32 ain't bad. Okay. I will see you back in a couple minutes. I will do what needs to be done. Alright, I am finished. This is showtime. Meow. I feel like this is the best ship I ever made. Sad that I didn't save it, but that's okay. Oh yes, I'm gonna do it. Oh yes. The worst thing that can happen. It toppling over. Guess I saved myself from that happening because it's like a canoe shape. No. Please. No. Yes. No. No. Save me. Please. Please. No. Yes. I saved myself. The one thing I was worrying about is toppling over. Boom, 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 shaboom. Life could be dream. Shaboom. Paradise from above. Shaboom. Why am I singing Life Could Be Dream? Probably because I like the videos of monkeys holding RPGs or something like that. Oh yes. Oh Lord. Yes. Falling with style. Oh no. Please. No, I'm not so close. Yes. I'm just trying in. I'm trying to hang on for dear life right now. Oh no, no, please, please, I want to live. Yes, I made it to honey place. No, no, oh my Lord. No, I died. Made it far though. Only that. Oh, dang, I already collected it. Well, if you like that video, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Then there will be a tiny little ugly bell. Slap that bell. Make sure to share this to all your friends so the channel could expand. Okay? Bye.